Skateboarding. Pretty good. Hey guys, what's up? It's another rainy day here again in Manila because there is a storm coming, and I think it's actually in the Philippine area of responsibility right now. It's signal number 1 here in Metro Manila, and today I'm testing out the VANS North Face collaboration on a rainy day, and yes, it's totally good actually. The water doesn't get inside your feet. And I started the video that I was skateboarding. Now I'm at my place and I'm doing this video again because I actually need a sneaker that is waterproof, that I can use in any weather condition, and I think this is the best sneaker for the job. And this is not like the ATR. It's a running shoe. That's a running shoe. This is a skateboard shoe. So yes, it maintains the dryness, and actually it also has a really good feel because of the heat technology inside the sneaker. So there you go. Look at that. So yes, that's the some splashes, and still your feet is dry. So it's funny because the rain is getting hard. I didn't expect it to be that hard, and still this is a good test. This is crazy, guys. I shouldn't do this. I don't think this is still practical to do this, but let's try. Getting hard. I need to end the video right now so I can get home as fast as I can and edit the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe on my channel for more.